Hello kids, this is teacher Sunny and today we are going to learn about the long vowel I sound. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is the long vowel I. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 variants, whose pronunciation is the same as its letter name. Let's have the first one. E, L, L, ill, ill. The next one is E, N, K, ink, ink. M, E, S, miss, miss. Amazing! Now you have your first star. B, I, T, bite, bite. K, I, T, kite, kite. D, I, V, dive, dive. Brilliant! Now you have your second star. L, I, T, light, light. N, I, T, night, night. I, hi, hi. Very good. Now you have your third star. T, R, I. Try, try. K, R, I. Cry, cry. L, I. Fly, fly. Outstanding! Now you have your fourth star. T, I. Tie, tie. P, I, pie, pie. L, I, lie, lie. Great job! Now you have your fifth and last star. See you on our next lesson. Bye bye!